Bye-bye, Rojas. Dito kami sa Rojas Airport. Babalik na kami ng Manila. So pumunta kami rito mag-aalas 4. So ang check-in namin ay 6:50. Bali Cebu Pacific yung sasakyan na saktong 5:01. Siguro mga 5:30 kami makapasok. Tamang maritisan muna, wala pang eroplano.
2 hours later.
Alright, papasok na kami sa loob ng airport. Umarap muna natin yung camera natin, papakita natin yung ating barcode. Masa cellphone yung ating ticket eh. Dito na kami sa loob ng waiting area. Hintayin namin yung aming airplane. Wala pa oh. Wala pa yung aeroplano oh.
Sino na rin?
Kinabahan ka no?
Grabe, kanina di ako may mga pagkakasta ng balo. Sabi na lang dyan ang sumunod. Sabi niya, Charles, sila dyan ang iPhone, ipaharap-check.
Kasi wala si Ana, kaya sila kasi.
Basta kami yung pakon niya.
Ano to? Philippine Airlines.
Two hours later.
Alright, boarding na kami.
Basta si Richard.
Doon sa group 1.
Ha, group 1.
Group 2 tayo.
Oo, ayun. Tsura mo kami ha, pagpapit. Nakatayo ako.
ID. Lapit na tayo. Alright, pasakay na tayo sa airplane. Airplane pati. Pasakay na tayo sa Cebu Pacific. Medyo na-delay yung namin, biyahe. 6:50 dapat ang Anong oras na? 7:15 na. May picture nga. Bye-bye, Rojas. Baga, paala man sa ano? Doon.
23 ano, 23. Iya ko F kaya ata.
Usok.
Ang pagkakita kayo,
Ang lakas ng usok.
Lagyan nyo sa taas ako na.
wala sa plan.
Pag-videoin ko kung saan sila. Hanapin ko. Yan ka lang ha. Kaya makilan ko ha. Siya nga, Chard. Ito? Ito kami sa ulihan eh. Pinakaulihan kami. Oo.
Ito kaming ano,
Ha? Doon oh. Pinaka, ano kami, sa may CR. Sa may CR.
uwi yan ha.
Ha?
Uwi yan ha.
Oo. Tao.
Yeah, Fisher Dog, 26,000 fish, weather report of Chicago Fair, powder of the way to Manila. Manila weather update shall be reported prior to our design. The safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to the announcement of the flight and cabin crew. And the usual patient,
To your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This
Pababa na kami. Andito na kami sa Manila. Welcome to Manila. Welcome to Manila.
Pwede mo tayo. Ako lang.
After eating mo, magbaba.
Anong kaguluhan yan? Anong kaguluhan yan?
Andito na pala kayo? Andito na pala kayo?
Anong kaguluhan yan?
Dito na?
Uy, yung bagarin.
Tayo sa conveyor. Kukunin yung box.
Marami na rin halway ka.
Brum, 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 brum. Oh, injury na si Chard. Injury na si Chard, oh. Oh, yan, oh. Palabas na kami, ng airport. Dito na binuksan niya pero hindi halo. Alright, andito na kami sa Manila. Sa Bay na. Alright, hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye.